Hey, Emma, long time no see. How have you been?
Hey, Jack. Yeah, it's been a while. I've been good, just busy with work. How about you?
I've been doing well too. What have you been up to lately?
Mostly working, but I started going to the gym recently, trying to stay healthy.
That's great. How's it going so far?
It's tough, but I'm getting used to it. What about you? Any new hobbies?
Yeah, I started gardening. It's really relaxing and rewarding.
That sounds nice. What kind of plants are you growing?
A mix of flowers and vegetables. It's so exciting to see them grow.
That sounds awesome. Maybe I should try gardening too.
You should. It's a great way to unwind.
I'll think about it. By the way, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. Maybe we should catch up over coffee?
Sounds like a plan. Let's do it.
Great. How about Saturday afternoon?
Saturday works for me. Where should we meet?
How about that new cafe downtown? I heard they have amazing coffee and pastries.
That sounds perfect. I've been meaning to check it out. What time?
Let's meet at 3 p.m. Does that work for you?
Yep, 3 p.m. is good. I'll see you there.
Awesome. Oh, and by the way, did you hear about the new movie coming out next week?
Yeah, I saw the trailer. It looks really good. Are you planning to watch it?
I am. Maybe we could go together?
That's a great idea. Let's check the showtimes on Saturday and book tickets.
Sounds like a plan. I'm really looking forward to catching up.
Me too. It's always great talking to you.
Same here. See you on Saturday.
See you then. Take care.
Saturday afternoon at the cafe.
Hey, Emma, over here.
Hey, Jack. Wow, this place looks nice. Have you ordered yet?
Not yet. I was waiting for you. What are you getting?
I think I'll go for a cappuccino. How about you?
I'll get a latte and maybe a chocolate croissant.
That sounds good. Let's order.
After ordering,
So how's work been treating you? Still busy?
Yeah, but it's manageable. I have a big project coming up, so things are getting hectic.
That sounds stressful. Are you getting any time to relax?
Not much, to be honest. But the gym helps, and catching up with friends like this is a nice break.
That's good. You should take breaks. Overworking isn't good for you.
True. What about you? How's your gardening going?
It's going great. Some of my flowers started blooming, and I even harvested some tomatoes last week.
That's amazing. Homegrown veggies must taste so fresh.
They really do. I could give you some if you'd like.
I'd love that. Maybe I should start a little garden too. Any tips?
Start small, maybe with herbs like basil or mint. They're easy to grow and useful for cooking.
That's a great idea. I'll give it a try.
Coffee arrives.
Oh, this smells so good.
Yeah, I can't wait to try it.
So about that movie, did you check the showtimes?
Yeah, there's a 7 p.m. and a 9 p.m. show. Which one do you prefer?
Let's do the 7 p.m. one. That way, we won't be out till late.
Sounds good. I'll book the tickets now.
Awesome, this turned out to be such a fun day.
It really did. We should do this more often.
Definitely. Cheers to good coffee and good company.
Cheers.